Good morning. Today is December 20th. This is Brian, your cynical mystic, and today we have the Empress, the path of Daleth. We have this divine, motherly character, certainly pregnant. We have elements of water, of earth, of fire, pure creation. You have the zodiac on her head. Really a beautiful card. And she does represent the womb from which all creation flows. She is manifestation incarnate. On the supernal triangle, she is the path from Bina to Chokmah. The path of Daleth. And Daleth does translate to door. She is that doorway where illumination flows from that vast outpouring of that indescribable masculine through into that restrictive and condensing supernal feminine of Bina, where that vast, limitless energy takes on its shape according to the universal laws. We're looking at this card. We're really not in this card because there's no way to enter it and still be you, really. We're talking here about a place beyond the persona. We're talking about the limitless and the divine. So the place that we're looking at it from, let's talk about what planet rules, or what planet the Empress represents. She represents Venus. In the same way that the High Priestess represents the moon. And in the same way that the Magician represents Mercury. Now, these three planets are represented on the Tree of Life with Hod, Bina, Geburah, Hod, being Mercury, Netzach, being Venus, Chokmah, Chesed, Netzach, and Yesod, being the moon. This forms the astral triangle, which is where our most basic manifestation comes. The manifestation of our human alchemy at its highest level is that Chesed and Geburah. But when we're talking about that, taking thought and making it form and using our spark of the divine and our Netzach, using that desire, that divine spark. Remember, she is the divine mother, and Venus is associated with Aphrodite, which means that there is that force, that power of desire that's necessary. We take that desire, that salt, and when we alchemize it with the will, Mercury, and with our power, our foundation, the Yesod, we can take thought and we can make it matter. Today is a day of manifestation. And the action that came up is judgment. Number 20, the pathway from Malkuth to Hod, from the earth to splendor. So today is definitely a day for manifestation, and the actions are very much in the day-to-day, taking care of what's in front. The thoughts of the day, the Knight of Cups, the Heir of Water, things are going to be moving quite a bit probably in the emotional sphere. So be ready. It doesn't really look like there's much to be concerned about today. there's a lot of potential for clarifying what it is you want and for moving forward with that, for manifestation, for looking more deeply at uh, your goals, dreams, visions for the present and moving forward, for really what you want to shed and what you want to build up as we move into this winter solstice. So enjoy today, be well. This is Brian, your cynical mystic. Please feel free to comment, question, heckle, and I will see you tomorrow.